Hey. Here you go.
Probably not be too sweet, that one.
Take it. Good girl. Are you a human? Oh. Good girl. You're so cute. You're so. That's all it. That's it.
Give us diarrhea?
No.
Let's go back and working.
Dakota.
He's camera shy.
A little camera shot. You don't want to be on the vlog, Sunshine? You don't want to be on the vlog? You look like Garfield. Yeah, hi. Oh my god, that thing's got a face.
Yeah.
It's a little cat. Hi, guys. What's that cat's name? Catzilla?
Yeah.
Hi.
He kicks the snot out of it.
Oh, that's funny. Pray drive my butt.
What's that?
Said pray drive my butt.
What's that?
I have a lady online that says that my dog can't be a service dog because she's got prey drive. She's a husky. Look at how relaxed when there's a cat in front of her. Just a little proof for you, lady. Yeah, no, she's not dangerous. She might look scary. Do you look scary? Scary pup.
I'm not a scary girl.
I have a lot of people, like, I'll be walking and people will get scared of her.
Really?
Yeah, people will like jump.
The eyes.
I don't
People
know.
were afraid of Nikki. You want some help?
She's just chilling, all twisted up.
Are you looking at the bear? Are you looking at the bear?
She told her cat that all the dogs outside are bears. So this is a bear. A big old bear. Huh, Sunshine? Hi, kitty kitty. Hi. His little safe house.
Come out, see the mom. Come on, we'll take a picture of you, sweetheart. You got to come out and
Come
show
on,
off your
Sunshine.
tail. You want to show off your plummy tail? Come on, why don't you? Come on, we'll get you out of there. Come. Let me see the mommy. Come.
She could care less.
Outside.
Oh, baby.
Come on outside with this thing. Can you come out, please?
Aw.
Please come out. Come on. Sunshine. Sunshine. Come.
The cat does not want to come out.
Come on. Come on out, please. Come on now. That's a good boy. Come on. That's okay. That's okay. The bear's gonna get me, Mom.
The bear's gonna get me.
The bear's gonna get me. Lovely. No, he's not gonna get you. We're gonna put you up in a high spot. Don't you worry about nothing. So, get up.
It's okay, just hold him.
Wait a minute. Let me get him up here.
Look at how pretty. He's like, there is a freaking bear in here? Yeah. Hi, kitty. Hi, beautiful. Oh, you're so handsome. You're a handsome boy.
Oh, she'd stand up and flip that tail out. Stand up and flip your tail out. Come here. We'll go in here with the bear's not gonna see you. Mama.
Hey. Just leave him. He's scared of you. Hey, give us some space. Back off. Just like I haven't seen a cat in a while. Matches kind of your top there. Hey, get now, get out of here. I'm gonna scare him. Oh, hi.
He's so
You
pretty.
can see his tail. It's very
Yeah,
fluffy.
but he's so pretty when he stands up and it stands right up straight. You know?
Yeah.
I'm trying to show you off, baby.
Come on, be a show cat. He's so pretty. He's so pretty. Hi, beautiful. Oh, hey, get. She's like, I see the cat and I want to play.
Let me hold his
It's so floofy. Sunshine, you're so floofy.
That's the duster.
Oh my god. Hi. Hi.
Sometimes I pick him up like this.
Uh-huh.
Look, he looks totally disgusted. Watch his face. I'm going to kiss you. I'm going to kiss you.
He's
I
so
love
cute.
you.
You're the crazy cat lady. Hold on, we're gonna show some proof with all those cat knickknacks in there.
Huh?
All the cat knickknacks.
Oh.
You think you like cats? Oh, he's so pretty. He's so pretty. He's sweet too.
Curl himself right up on my lap. You like the kitty? You like the kitty, right? You don't think she'd bite her?
No, she's not gonna bite her.
No.
No, but I just don't want to scare your cat, traumatize your cat.
Right.
Yeah, just let him do their own thing. I'm gonna make sure she keeps her space though.
Yeah.
See, she's fine. She's gonna lay down. She don't care.
Mhm.
But I don't want to. He's never seen a cat before. I mean, a dog before.
Right.
A bear. I mean.
No, there.
So we don't want to stress your kitty out.
Mhm.
I know Dakota's sweet though. She's played with kitties before, but.
Mhm. I can
Yeah.
feel a tiny little knot right here in that fur.
Aww.
See?
Nice
See, it's right there. So what I do, I go like this and I just gently pull it apart.
Mhm. He's pretty. So he's not even a year yet?
No, not till September. September, 20 something.
So fluffy.
10 pounds and it's not even a year
Oh
old yet.
wow. How big are they supposed to be?
Well, I was like that big. But I was telling this lady down the PetSmart when I was down there.
Mm-hmm.
I was looking for cat food. I said, she was a customer. She was looking for cat food too. I said, do you know a lot about cats? She said, yeah, a little bit. She said, I have 3 of them. I said, well, I have your pee-pees in here. Time for your pee-pees.
Cat's got his own bathroom. Hi, look at you crossing your paws.
Are we in Nana's house? Did you meet a kitty?
Yeah, so just a little, I never really film with her around other animals, except for like smaller dogs. She's worked with really small dogs like Lorelei, this is my friend Juliet's dog. So she's had fun with them. She's also played with little Yorkies and stuff. I also have a rabbit at home. For those of you that don't know, I have a white rabbit. Her name is Sophie, and Dakota sometimes plays with her too. This is the first time we've ever met the kitty, huh?
Is it the first time we've ever met the kitty?
I think the first time we met the kitty, and look, it's her reaction. Dakota has played with cats before, but like I said, I don't want her to be too rough. So I've always done that. No matter what animal that's smaller that we've met, I tell her to settle down. Because, we don't want to stress out the little animals as well. So we gotta always be calm, right? Yeah. So that's good. Just like, are you leaving him in there?
Well, he's not doing much of anything. There. He didn't go potty and he's not drinking any water, so maybe if I just leave him alone.
Yeah.
He might.
Yeah, he's probably a little scared. He's never seen a
Right.
bear.
Right. Such a calm bear is that.
Right. Dakota. You see,
Look at those hands. Take a picture of that.
I am.
That is so cute.
She does that on her own. She's fancy. I tell you, she's fancy.
Yeah.
She's a fancy girl. Come on. Come here. Good girl. about the AC. The cat has a cage, for anybody wondering, because he tends to not sleep at night. So to train him to let her sleep, he's got a cage. It's a dog cage, but I'll put more information about this in the description for people that are curious about what the purpose of this is. So yeah. But come here. Hi, beautiful. Hi. Come on. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? She's like, hey, where's the little bear cub? Where's the little bear cub? Come on.
Little lion cub.
Yeah, little lion cub.
Oh, she's like, what
do you have?
Yeah, cleaning up the stuff you threw on the floor.
Oh, the watermelon?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be showing you how my dog smiles, and she smiles like this. So that's fun.